Today we have with us the iQOO 9 SE and we are going to unbox it and check out what do we get inside of it. So firstly we get to see this nice package which has 9 written over it. Let's see what's inside of it. There you go. So we have a few booklets over here. We'll check them out later. Firstly, let's check out the phone that we have over here. There, as you can see towards the back side, we have a nice gradient finish going on, and the back feels like a matte coating over here. We've also got a triple camera setup with an inbuilt flash, and the camera setup is OIS, which means optical image stabilization. And on the front side, we've got a punch hole camera and a speaker grill. Moving towards the bottom side, we've got a SIM ejector tray right over here. We've got the microphone, and moving towards the bottom side of the phone, we've got a speaker grill, a Type-C charging port. This can also be used to listen to your favorite songs via Type-C USB headphones or a converter. Then we've also got the microphone port and of course the SIM ejector tray. On the sides, we've got the power button right over here and also the volume rockers. On the other side, we've got a clean finish, and that's pretty much about the phone. Let me keep it aside and check out the box contents. So we've got the small little package. Let's open it up. There you go. So as you can see, we get a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. Next up, we also get to see a SIM ejector tool. And also we've got a few documents. Let's check out what they're about. So firstly, we get to see a quick start guide right over here. Up next, we also get to see important information and warranty card. Let me keep these things aside and check out the other things inside of the box. So the other thing that we also get to see inside the box is this clear case that we have over here. This is a TPU case which is quite flexible, and it is good to see that it is included inside of the box. Next up, we have a power brick over here, which is a 66-watt flash charging power brick, and we've got the USB connector right over here. And talking about the USB, the last thing inside the box is the USB cable itself, which is a Type-C to USB cable. That's all, folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the iQOO 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching the video.